Hi friends, today in this video I am sharing the lesson plan of abdomen and pelvis. So make a revision according to the schedule given in this study plan. The questions listed here in the study plan are previously repeated questions in the examination papers. So don't leave any question. Now we'll see the study plan for 4 days. On the day 1 we'll see the essay questions. Here there are 4 essay questions. First one is inguinal canal. Inguinal canal with its boundaries, contents, spermatic cord coverings, contents, mechanism of inguinal canal. This is very important question. After that, very easy and important question is the stomach. And then after that, duodenum. In this duodenum particularly, so many times, second part of the duodenum is repeatedly asked in your examinations. Next question is the spleen. These are the 4 essay questions which are most important. And now we'll see the short answer questions for the day 1. This is the rectus abdominis muscle and this is the inguinal ligament, cremaster muscle, conjoint tendon, pyramidalis, rectus sheath, this fascia transversalis, spermatic cord, hernia types, bare area of the liver and stomach bed. All these 11 questions, these are very important. So don't leave these questions. Next we'll see the schedule for day 2. 4 essay questions. First one is a liver. Next one is kidneys. In these kidneys, sometimes they will ask particularly about right kidney. So on the safe side here, you can study both kidneys with its relations, which will be useful for exams. The third question is urinary bladder. If you study this urinary bladder, entire topic, you can cover the short answers also here. So don't leave this question. Next one is pancreas, which is repeatedly asked question in your exams. These are the 4 questions which are important. Next one is, we'll see the short answers for day 2. First one is the testis. And next one is the descent of testis, lesser omentum, mesoappendix, root of mesentery. This epiploic foramen, which is previously it is asked in exams. It is also called as foramen of Winslow. Next one is the omental bursa or lesser sac. This rectouterine pouch and Douglas pouch. This is repeatedly asked question in your exams. Lobes of prostate also. This is also important question. And this is the posterior relations of left kidney. Definition of mesentery. All these questions are seen in your exam papers, previous papers. So don't leave these questions here. That is for day 2 schedule. Now we'll see for day 3. We'll see the essay questions. First one is a vermiform appendix, which is the most important essay question. Next one is anal canal. These two are very important questions. Previously it is seen in so many papers. Anal canal and vermiform appendix. And third question is suprarenal gland and openings of the diaphragm. This is also important question. So first you can study this vermiform appendix, anal canal and then openings of diaphragm. After that you can read about the suprarenal gland. So these are the 4 questions for day 3. Next we'll see for short answers. Meckel's diverticulum, renal angle and branches of superior mesenteric artery, which is most important question. So many times it is asked in your question papers. Superior mesenteric artery and inferior mesenteric artery are branches are most important. So don't leave this question. Next one is the positions of appendix and celiac trunk, portal vein formation, portocaval anastomosis, gallbladder, psoas major muscle. This is also very important. Perineal body is also important. This is the position of appendix. If you study this essay question, you can cover the short answers in essay appendix. So these are the 11 listed questions in day 3. For the day 4, essay questions are ovaries. Describe the ovaries, external features, relations, blood supply, lymphatic drainage and nerve supply. Next one is uterus, which is the most important question. And the next one is pelvic diaphragm. This question is previously seen in your papers. This pelvic diaphragm. So these are the three important questions. Next one is ischiorectal fossa or ischioanal fossa. This is also important question. So don't leave this question. Next one is deep inguinal ring. This is also seen in your question paper. Next one is perineal membrane. Structures piercing in male and female. Fourth question is male urethra, fallopian tubes, prostate, liver drainage, contents of inguinal canal, inferior mesenteric artery. Don't leave this question. This is very important. In common bile duct course relations. This is also asked in your question papers. Difference between right and left kidneys. All these questions are repeatedly asked in exams. So don't leave any question